Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. A few days ago, a customer brought in a Galanz microwave. The problem is that it keeps burning the fuse. Generally, what are the causes for a fuse to keep burning? Often, it's due to arcing in the 3 switches at the door, or one of them failing to disconnect properly. This failure to disconnect causes a short circuit. After opening the casing, we can see that the fuse has already blown apart. Upon measuring the first switch at the top, we found that it can no longer disconnect. When troubleshooting this repeated fuse burning fault, it's best not to disassemble the unit immediately. First, measure the 3 door switches for abnormalities, especially the middle one. The middle switch has 3 terminals, regardless of whether the door is open or closed. One set of terminals should be connected. If it fails to disconnect when it should, it causes a short and blows the fuse. Alternatively, if the internal parts of the top or bottom switches are damaged, this will also damage the fuse when the door is operated. If you can't determine which switch is bad, it's best to replace all 3. It leads to poor contact or severe arcing. Why shouldn't you disassemble everything right away? Because initial measurements provide the most accurate diagnostic data. The short circuit might temporarily disappear if you keep opening and closing the door while taking things apart, making it hard to find the real cause. Besides the door switches, other causes for a blown fuse include short-circuited, high-voltage capacitor or bulging capacitor, These issues will also cause the 220 volts power fuse to burst repeatedly. When replacing parts, we must have a basis for it. Only replace a component once you've measured and confirmed it is faulty. Do not replace parts blindly. For the fuse, we are using a 10 slow blow fuse, though it's marked as 8A. After replacing the new parts, the fault is cleared. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more repair insights.